I'm certainly starving. Right. Yes, that's nice cold water, hey?
Yes, Mama.
Yes. You just farted. Build me a sandcastle.
Yes, Mama.
Yes. Gosh, idyllic, eh? Imagine how nice it must be to swim here in summer. Whoa! Want Mommy to roll your pants up one more time? Haha.
I'm going to board this one also, Ma.
Yes, do that.
Sandcastle, Ma.
Yes.
I'll make Daddy's sandcastle.
Yes.
This one, Ma.
Good thing he doesn't have high standards. Easily pleased, this child. Oh, that is so cold. Oh, Davy, can I undo your top? Can I actually take your top off quickly?
No, Ma.
Just quickly, because we don't want it to get all sandy. Well, actually, let me just roll you up.